This is Booneville, North Carolina. When I started flying, the winds, as you can see from the flag in front of the restaurant there, were about 20, 25 miles per hour. And of course, when you get up 75, 80, 100 feet, the winds are much higher. But I didn't get any warnings from the drone. This is the Mavic Mini. It's a newer drone that's come out by DJI. And it's 250 grams, less than a half a pound. It's very light, and it'll fly for about 25 to 30 minutes on one battery. It's got a really good camera. As you can see, the drone was bobbing all over the place, but the video here is very stable, which is one of the attractive features of this particular drone. When we drove by this water tower earlier in the day, we noticed the guys were walking around up on top. So I decided when we came back around a few hours later that I would come by and just record the water tower and maybe do a little bit of an orbit around it. I wanted to get in a little closer, but since this is my first time with this drone, and flying it and doing any video, I thought I'd just kind of go easy with it. So I'm kind of getting used to moving the camera around and flying. And then, of course, it was about this time that I got a notification on the drone that the winds were picking up quite a bit. So I decided to push it just a little further. And you can see Pilot Mountain in the background and then Saratown Mountain. So there's Pilot Mountain on the left and that bunch of mountains. And then there's Hanging Rock and Saratown Mountain. So I got about right here, maybe a little further, and decided, you know what, I'm not going to take a chance. I'm going to come on back. So I kind of held on for just a second, and then I decided, no, I'm going to come on back. So I stopped the video and flew straight back. Thanks for watching.